Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Vice Chancellor jong School ba North Eastern Hills University, Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla. Ulaong halor ki jingkeno persya yu ba isi ye ki jat benreo trai ri kalong ka babakla ha ka bawla pen i ka jing tho ba napdeng ki hinreo tli ki kam ki ba kam kong san ha po ka school ba lai tli ki de ki kam ki ba yo bat de ki bre ki ki trai ri trai muluk ki ba kin thop ye ka kam librarian u karikor jong ka school ba la new engineer baru nong pet nong khmi new in charge na ka bentaban penlong ye ki jat examen kam tam hadin bala pentrai kam ye ka national education policy arajar arpho but kini baro ki trai kam pura hapo ka school ba klem gano ka jing thot lane jing ujor habakren chikin nong tho khobor mentak asni balang jong katayo ka henry trik unai wing arajar arpusau haslong press club na kalyang professor Shukla ula pentim banna pedang kini ki laingot ki breu ki bade ki traishnong ki babat ye ki kam ki ba he apo ka school ba kat ba ye ki weipat ki laitli ki kam lapen kam tish ki weipat ki jat benreu ki bakat kum ka jing ibet jong ki bor penyat ka school ba barula ong ru bana kalyang jong u kwa ban ong ni kdo than henry ki ki bala penbet ya apo ka school ba ki dei kita ki ba trai kam kum makalong menta.
Based on your allegation. First thing I would like to even mention this. 6 important positions in the university: Controller of Examination, Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Finance Officer, Librarian, and University Engineer. And then the last is the Director College Development Council. Out of 6, 3 positions were held by the local people. Librarian, first appointment given by me to the local people as a librarian of the name. Dr. Professor F.R. Sumer. Yeah, F.R. Sumer is looking this. Second is University Engineer, Mr. Lenin. Yeah, Lenin, he is looking the position of the University Engineer. And the third as in charge, Professor Umdor is helping me for conducting the examination after implementation of the National Education Policy 2020. And he is already doing, all the 3 is already doing well. So out of 6, 3 are the local people. Rest of the thing you can decide कि I am to have pro or anti. I am not going to say any word, but you can decide. This is the actual position in the university.
Coming to